For UNS2, our focus is on localizing and detecting audio events in crowds to enhance safety and security. As a member of the security crew, let's explore how SmartViz, our visualization toolkit, facilitates this use case. Upon entering UNS2 through SmartViz, the dashboard presents a collection of visualization widgets, capturing events from the selected time period in various formats. The Sound Localization Map Representation widget adds another layer of sophistication. By pressing the play button, we can visually track the direction of the detected sound as they unfold. This feature enhances our situational awareness, allowing for more effective security control in crowd areas and localizing the sound direction. The Sound Event Localization widget visually represents these detections, allowing for quick identification and analysis. Here, displaying incoming events and relevant information in an easy manner provides a comprehensive overview of the detected audio events. To further investigate each event, the data table includes a play button. Clicking on this allows us to listen to a snippet of the detected sound through the audio player associated with the respective microphone. This functionality proves crucial for quick recognition and further reaction, enhancing our ability to respond promptly to critical events, such as gunfire. With the information provided by SmartViz, our security crew gains valuable insights into crowd behavior and audio events. The combination of audio event localization, visual representation, and data analysis empowers us to make informed decisions and take proactive measures in ensuring the security of public spaces.